Shake that monk bean. Good morning, everybody. We're going to make breakfast using one of our favorite products, Just Egg. It's going to include Earth Balance, plant-based butter, Daya, cheddar slices, Trader Joe's meatless breakfast patties. We have some leftover vegetables with some fresh vegan cornbread that we just made. First, let's cook up these sausages. When it comes to frozen meats, we found some nice little secrets that we're going to share with you. Watch this trick. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute. They're going to cook and steam at the same time. When you do this, it keeps them nice and moist. I like to cut my peppers fine because big chunks of peppers in recipes isn't that good. Protect your Teflon by always using rubber or wood cooking utensils. Perfect. So my opinion, if you leave this too big, you end up with big chunks. But if you chop it up really finely, you end up with a very nice flavor throughout the food and a nice texture. That's looking good. Here comes the magic. What do you think, Buggy?
Looks good.
Just want to give a quick shout out to Billie Eilish. Been in the news a lot lately speaking about her veganism. The more people who speak out like her about the reasons for veganism, the better. Check out Plant-Based News for a story on her thoughts about killing animals to eat them. If you believe global climate change is a problem, if you believe ocean destruction is a problem, if you believe factory animal farming is possibly cruel, you just might be a vegan. You want to give it a little color. Shake that monk bean. Pour your Just Egg over your magic mix, the whole thing right on it, and cook it up. I've come to realize that I prefer Just Eggs over real eggs any day. Maybe it has something to do with the karma, but the taste is great. Thank you, Just Egg. And plate it up. Fresh herbs, very good for you. And a little bit of our magic secret ingredient. What do you say, Harper? What do you think, Harper?
I like it.
Good. Don't get caught up with any specific list of ingredients, because life should be a wonderful vegan adventure.